Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anisha. On my channel I unbox some subscription boxes, mystery packages, and I do some hauls from Shop Miss A and Shein. Now I was away from YouTube for a while, but I'm back, and in today's video we will be unboxing Be Kind by Ellen subscription box. Now this is a fall box, the fall box of 2022. This is a quarterly subscription box. It is $54.99 every quarter, and if you go annually it will cost you $197. However, you will save some money if you go annually. Now Ellen did curate this box with small businesses by collaborating with small businesses, which means that you will see different brands in this box. I am an affiliate of the Be Kind by Ellen subscription box, so I will put my affiliate link down below if you guys are interested. I don't have any coupon code for now, but if ever I do, I will put it down below. Looks like, and it says fall is upon us, so we wanted to share some of our favorite products with you from 7 brands that we love, are bringing us joy, and have also made a conscious decision to do better for the world. Enjoy, love, the Ellen team. We also have, this is the edition 16, the fall box, and inside I'm pretty sure it has all the products and more information about them. So I'm not going through that, but we are going through the products. Okay, so the first item here is, and I don't see any prices, maybe the prices are in here. It's the first time, guys, so I'm not sure. Anyways, we will go like this. This is urban hydration. This is a full product here. Lemon and berries cleansing water. Lemons are a natural and detoxifier and help you rejuvenate and add back luster to dull skin. Our berry blend helps promote a healthy and youthful appearance by plumping, hydrating, and brightening the skin. It is a 500 ml bottle. That's great. Next we have the vitamin C 23 serum. Super vitamin E plus hyaluronic acid. Always have an issue pronouncing this word. Let me open it. Now I have this box for a while, so wait a sec, we have 2 products in here. No, this is only one. So this is a product, it is a serum. Apply small amount evenly, avoiding the eye areas. For daytime use, follow with the sunscreen. Okay, so this is serum. I don't use serum, to be honest, because I love using moisturizers. So yeah. Next we have this longer, healthier, clump-free lashes. Okay, so this is a conditioning peptide mascara. Grand mascara, conditioning peptide mascara. So is it for lengthening your cells? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, this is it. Next we have the Geometry Kitchen Tea Towel. I mean, the key towel is cute, it's nice, and that's how it looks like. And we have, what is this? So I think you have like a little journal here. You have also some erasable markers for whiteboards, chalkboards, windows. This is it. It's just like a little journal that you have. You have like a little notepad, and here you have the days of the week. So if you ever want to plan something, a planner, not a journal, a planner. And this one I have no idea what it is. 146 white pre-printed minimalist spice jar labels. Okay, so let me open it. We can see what this is. So you have all the okay, the name of these are like tags that you can put on your jars. So you basically have barbecue, black cardamom, black pepper, things like that. Wow, and we have 146 here. That's great. See, we saw it. Yeah, we have 146 jar labels in here. So that's it for the Be Kind by Ellen. Now let's do a little recap. We have these labels, jar labels. We have this grand mascara, but I think it also helps with to lengthen the silks and everything. We have this planner with what is it, markers, and a little notepad here. Oh yeah, we have this cleansing water. We have serum, and we have this kitchen towel. And that's it. I mean, what do you think about this box? It's my first time and I think I will love it. It's a good box. So if you like this box, please make sure this will definitely help my channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.